The second part of this short presentation of Serbian highflier is going to be about origin of this pigeon. I have to say that nobody even in Serbia knows exactly the and precisely origin of Serbian highflier. I have to tell still that it's a mixture of different type of pigeon. Of course, English tippler played main role in creating it, but also some other pigeon breeds like old pigeons that were present on Serbian territory during Ottoman Empire played a big role. Pakistani highflier, Nikolaevsky, and so many pigeon breeds. Talking about history, like in 1920 something, the first club of Serbian highflier was established, and today there are about 20,000 fanciers of Serbian highflier. I have to tell you that those first birds that were brought to Serbia were from Germany and Austria, and in the beginning those tipplers were crossed with domestic birds, but nowadays fanciers mostly work with English tipplers like Boden, Hughes or Lovat. And I gotta tell you as well that Serbian highflier is already established as a breed, so not so many breeders work that crossing with other breeds. The main demands for Serbian highflier are high fly together, and fly for a long period of time. You have those two demands for the birds to fly together and to fly for a long period of time in other breeds too, but those two demands combined with high fly is specific just for Serbian highflier. Also, I have to tell one more time that each bird has to have a crest. So much for this time, and if you want to find out something more about Serbian highflier, go and visit our webpage. I'm George from Salzburg, and I wish you a good flight.